In this video, we're going to unbox and test the Samsung T7 Shield SSD. I purchased the 4TB model that supports speeds up to 1050 megabytes per second. You get the hard drive, a USB-C to USB-C cable, and a USB-C to USB-A cable. I really like the lengths Samsung chose for these cables. They're not too long, not too short. The hard drive is made of aluminum and has a rubber outer shell to offer high durability. It's rated to survive a drop from up to 9.8 feet. Its IP rating of 65 means it provides some protection against sand and water. It's still potentially vulnerable to dust and you won't want it to be submerged in water for long. Samsung gives you a 3-year warranty on this SSD. The hard drive comes pre-formatted in exFAT and has applications for Windows and Macintosh that allow you to manage the drive. This application also allows you to set a password for the drive, so it has to be unlocked every time before using it. Unfortunately, if you put a password on it, it won't work with iPadOS or iOS, but you're free to add or remove a password at any time without needing to erase any of your files. If you choose to use the password lock, you will have to open the application and unlock it every time you connect the drive to a computer, but once it's connected, it stays unlocked until you unplug and replug the hard drive. I was not able to hit the advertised 1050 megabytes per second speeds on my 2021 MacBook Pro. This is due to a glitch in the way that Apple Silicon and Thunderbolt 4 handle USB 3.2 speeds. The test on my 14-inch 2021 MacBook Pro ended up at around 800 to 900 megabytes per second, which is still very fast. There's a lot that's going to affect speeds, including your device throughput, the ports on your device, the cable used, and even the applications being used. This hard drive is ideal for storing files, but you could also edit off it, especially if you're storing the original media on the external hard drive and using proxy files on your computer hard drive. Just note that the T7 will be slower than some laptop hard drives. For comparison, I get around 4,000 to 5,000 megabytes per second read and write on my MacBook Pro hard drive. Overall, I think for the price and amount of storage this hard drive is a great buy. If you plan on editing footage off of it, you might look into an SSD that uses Thunderbolt to get top speeds. But overall, if you're looking for a great external hard drive, I would highly recommend the Samsung T7 Shield. Thanks for watching this video. If you found value in this content, please like this video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any upcoming content.